Welcome back to UL Exchange, everybody. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. If you already subscribed, like this video and share this video with anybody you know and wants to understand how the financial system and how crypto works, guys. I appreciate all the previous subscribers, all the people that have been supporting this channel since day one. I appreciate every single one of you guys. So I do appreciate everything you do. And now let's just get straight in this video. We will be talking about how the FedNow system is basically the new way to financially keep people suppressed and to financially make people slaves. Okay, it's a new slavery method. You get a job, right? You feel secure. They cut your job. Something happens. You don't get paid. Okay, you get insurance for future accidents. If nothing happens, you don't get paid. You fall into all these scams. We're living in our life now, right? And you have cash. You can transact with whoever you would like. But now that system is coming to an end. I'm not saying it's going to happen yesterday or would have happened yesterday. I'm not saying it's going to happen today. I'm not saying it will happen in the next week or so. But it's very, very close of the timing that we're on for this FedNow system to take effect. The FedNow, guys, don't think this is new. Do not think this is new. The only thing new about it is the announcement to the masses. I have two clips I want to show you guys. So please pay attention to what these clips are suggesting. And I give a shout out to these people I caught the clips from. It was on TikTok. They have a Telegram. I'm not saying join it or not. I'm not even in the Telegram myself, but they have the Telegram listed on the video. So that video was very, very informative. Two videos I would like you guys to watch and let me know in the comments below what you guys think. This is how the FedNow system will play. It's just like central bank digital currencies, right? All of this things that's being talked by WEF, correct? All these things being talked by the WEF forum, all these things being talked about by the countries that have been deciding this for a long, long time are coming into fruition. And July should be the beginning of the FedNow system. We have already seen it with the Chinese yuan. We've seen it with the Russian ruble. We've been seeing it in some European countries. We've been seeing it in some South American countries. But now we're going to be seeing it here in the United States itself. What does that mean for us, for the people that live in the United States? Something big is going to happen very, very soon with this FedNow system. And if you don't have a way out of the system, that means if you're not financially secure, not financially stable, okay, two different things. Financially secure and financially thriving versus financially stable, two completely different things. If you're financially secure, you may have a way where you can, finagle your way out of this FedNow system, even for a while or even permanently. But for the people that are not financially secure at all, these two videos will basically signify how your future will be. So let's take a quick look at these two videos and then we can discuss after the videos.
Press details. You have been paid 2,000 central bank digital tokens. The following fees are being deducted: accommodation fee, food ration fee, recycling fee, clean energy fee, personal greenhouse gas emissions fee, climate change fee, diversity fee. Your current remaining balance is 5 central bank digital tokens, and if not spent, it will expire in 7 days.
Like any other. You're at the gas station filling up your ride. You head into the store to pay.
$77, please,
says the cashier. You pull out $80 in cash and slap it on the counter.
Sorry, sir, no cash. We only take cards from now on.
With a grumble, you pull out your debit card and swipe it.
Thank you, sir. Just so you know, a note on your credit says you're almost up to your $80 limit in gas for the week. You're getting close to your government-allotted carbon emissions for the month.
Walking out of the store, you wonder what the heck he was talking about. You drive to your next errand. Along the way, you notice a long line in front of an ATM machine. You stop to check it out. People are walking away from the ATM in frustration. You stop and ask what's going on.
Oh, those machines. They stopped giving out cash.
You were told. Now you feel that little twinge of fear in your gut. You know the feeling? You knew things were getting bad, but surely things were not that bad. You check your phone. No wars, no terrorist attacks, no hurricanes or earthquakes. Still, something's up. It's getting weird out there fast. You head inside the grocery store to pick up dinner. As you head into the store, you notice long lines at the checkout counters. Anger is in the air, the smell of panic. A woman grabs your arm.
They say card only, but my card isn't working. Nobody is taking cash, and they're running out of food.
You turn around and head out. In the parking lot, you send a text to your friend. He's one of those political gun nut types, so maybe he's going to have some insight to share.
Things are getting scary. I went to the sporting goods store to buy some supplies and ammo. They're telling me that based on my Google search history and the websites I visited, I can't buy anything, even with cash. I checked my account and I have plenty of money, but they won't let me spend it. They're saying I'm flagged as a threat.
You text a few more of your friends. One says his business can no longer take payments from customers. He wonders if it's because he donated to that Freedom for America protest. Heart sinking, you remember all those donations you made recently. Another friend urgently texts you. None of her cards work either. Her online payments are not going through and her rent is due. You feel yourself starting to sweat. Tomorrow is the end of the month. You have a bunch of bills due. Another friend says he's hearing about violence in the streets, people smashing and grabbing whatever they can, banks locking their doors on customers. Your mind races. Some sort of system-wide banking crash, you suspect. You rush home. It's okay, you tell yourself. You're prepared. You've got a couple thousand in cash under the mattress. Plus, you've got your savings account and your 401k nest egg. You check your banking app on your phone. You are greeted with the following message.
Dear customer, please be advised certain purchases may be limited or not be permitted according to federal law. All our ATMs and branches are currently shut down until further notice. If you wish to speak with one of our representatives, please be aware we are experiencing higher than normal call volume and wait times will be longer than expected. Thank you and have a nice day.
You turn on the TV to get the news. Images flash on your screen of long lines at supermarkets and gas stations, stock market indices in the red, riot police, National Guardsmen in the streets. The news anchor is nodding his head solemnly.
Today, the White House directed banks and other financial institutions to stop doing business with thousands of Americans, freezing their personal bank accounts.
Palms sweating, you switch to the financial channel.
Chaos on Wall Street today after Congress authorized another round of stimulus payments directly into the spending accounts of every American. A move critics say will only increase inflationary pressures as prices spin out of control.
You flip again.
Violent protests continue to spread from the cities into the suburbs in the wake of record unemployment and reports of enforced rationing of electricity and natural gas.
In the distance you hear sirens, breaking glass. Are those gunshots? It's been a hell of a day. It's going to be a long night. Make no mistake, C-Day will change your financial life forever.
So what do you guys think? A lot to talk about, right? A lot to take in. You can always go back and watch the full videos. Not a problem with me, not a problem with you. It's always good to inform yourself and learn more. But that is basically where the future of the FedNow system is headed. I've been calling this out for over a year and a half since I've been making videos on YouTube. I've been saying this for over 5 years to the close people around me and to even on the Telegram. But now we're so close to the release of the FedNow system and how XrP will have something to do with it. How the ISO 222 tokens will have something to do with it. And how it will be enabled on your phone. That's all I have to say, guys. Please, please, please pay attention to what's going on in the media, to what's going on in your life, to what's going on around you. People are going crazy financially, right? People are suffering. You may not see it. The CPI index may not show you. The job loss may not show you, right? The currency fluctuation in the world, or even the United States, the currency transactions may not show you. Everything is inflated. But there will be a time where that bubble will pop and this new system will be implemented. So please, please, please do your own due diligence, do your own research. This is not financial advice. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Peace out.